Hi, welcome to beautiful Carmel by the Sea, and welcome to Lincoln 3 Southeast of First Avenue, a gorgeous ocean view home. I'm Susan Clark. I'm your American Dream TV host for Carmel and the Monterey Peninsula and a realtor at Carmel Realty Company. I'll be hosting open house this coming weekend on July 6th and 7th from 1 to 4, and I hope you'll come by and see this gorgeous home. It was extensively renovated in 2001, and it's been very lightly used since then. It has nice, spacious 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and I think you're going to love it. Very high-end amenities, Carmel stone fireplace, beautiful gourmet kitchen. There's solar on the roof and instant hot water heater, Tesla charger in the garage. What more could you want? Again, I'm hosting open house this coming weekend, and I hope you will come by and take a look. This is Susan Clark with Carmel Realty Company. Oh, and the list price is $3,750,000. Bye for now, and I'll see you around Carmel. Bye.